So we are talking about party supremacy, and therein you explained something that happened in 1979, and particularly in the order in which people come in. Please, we just want this to be reiterated so that our people can understand where we are coming from before we go to where we are. Party leaders have become subjected to office holders, executive office holders.
Yes. The issue of party supremacy is an issue that has bedeviled this country's political landscape. You see, in terms of age, at the beginning of any regime or dispensation, first, there was the formation of political parties. When the political party is formed, it is without any office holding personality, because people will use the political party as a platform to stand for election, then go through election. If they are successful, then they are sworn into any office as bank. So by that, it is clear that the party by age is normally older than those it has produced for public office. I give an example, and this is respected worldwide. From this, we can see that the chairman of a political party is certainly older by assumption of faith, and it is party that has given birth to the person who enjoys office as a result of having won election on that political party. I give an example. In 1979, we held a major meeting in Lagos of our party, that is the NPN. And those days, the party chairman at that time was Chief Akinloye. The party candidate who eventually won the election and became president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria was Alhaji Shehu Shagari. We were in for an important meeting, and people flew in, took their seats. The president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Shehu Shagari, came, took a seat, and everybody was feeling that the august person for the occasion had not arrived. That is the party chairman, Chief Akinloye. And when he arrived, everybody stood up, including the president Shagari, until the chairman took a seat, and then he sat. And that's how it went, and that's how it should be.